In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Intel driver and support assistant is not working or not opening on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is just simply try to restart your Windows because once you restart, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, you can also perform a disk cleanup. So for that, just simply go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then the disk cleanup for Windows C drive will appear. Now simply select all of the options for the files to delete. Simply check that options and then click on OK and click on delete files. After performing the disk cleanup, just simply try to access the Intel driver and support assistant. The next thing that we can do is we can also perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar and type msconfig. Click on the system configuration under the best match. Then go to the services tab. Check the options hide all Microsoft services. Now if any of the services are still enabled, click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and simply click the restart button. So if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.